Hey guys, what's up? It's time to build the rectangle flicker. And so this is just a simple flicker and it can launch. You just hold it here and flick it. Usually goes farther than that. Oh, yep, I think I lost it. Right, here it is. So what's interesting about this flicker is there are lines here, and they're in a little cool pattern here. And when you're using non-double-sided paper, these lines are white. So I recommend you use that. And you can also spin. You want to learn how to fold it? Let's go. I'm using non-double-sided paper, which is one side color and the other side white. You're going to want to start with white side up first. So I'm not going to do white side up first because I have double-sided paper. So we're going to fold this edge to this edge. I'm going to unfold, turn it on the side and fold it again. Once you unfold, if you're using white-sided paper, make sure this is still up, okay? Then we have to flip it over to the colored side. And then we're gonna have to do some marking. So we're gonna fold this edge to here, but we're not gonna fold it. We're just going to put it there, align it, and then just only crease this edge. So we're making a point there, a reference. So we know that is the place where we have our mark. Now we're going to fold to that mark and we're going to make another little crease thing. And then after that, we're going to sort of guess where it is and we're going to fold to halfway, or the height of this is the same height of this. So only halfway. Not to the whole thing. We're not going to make a mark there though. So once you have that, you can carefully do that. If that was confusing, then you can see here. This is where my mark is. So I only folded to halfway, even though there's not a mark there. So you have to sort of guess where it is. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to make a mark. And we're gonna guess. Just like that. Make sure it's the same width the whole way, or else it's gonna turn out really bad. We're gonna turn it again, do it again. Okay, gonna turn it over and going to do it one last time. Be sure to take your time when doing this, or else it's gonna turn out really weird. Okay, now we're going to take this corner and sort of unfold this part out a bit, unfold this part out, sort of switch the direction. So then they're all like this. Alright, now we're going to flip it over. We're going to turn it like this. So this is going to be a bit weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it, but we're going to not fold it directly point to point, but you see this point right there? I'm gonna fold that to the middle. So, like that. Increase it like that. So it's not on the middle. This point is on the middle. Flip it. I'm gonna do that again. Do it again. And one last time. Make sure they're all lined up correctly, all at 90 degrees. When you're done with that, we need to flip the direction again. So this is just sticking out. We need to tuck this under here. And also tuck that in too. So then it's locked in tight. Like that. So if you did the white sides, these lines should be white. Alright, now I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to do something very similar to what we did, but we're going to do it with this point. Not the one over here, but this side, the other side. So, like that. So it should be protruding out of the line. Just like that. Keep on going until all of our flap, until we all get a square. Okay, now we're almost done. So now, of course, we need to reverse the direction again. But once we're done with that, we're not done yet. Now we have to, there's like this point here. We have to flip, you have to like tuck it inside. So, right in here. I'm gonna put this point inside here. Oh, my direction switched again. Alright, now we're just gonna tuck it in there. We're gonna tuck that one in there. We're gonna tuck them all inside until we get something flat. This point here shouldn't all be flat, or else there should be a bump there. That's what causes it to spin so well. So once you have that all done, you should be done. So if you want it to spin better, I'm going to flip it over to the mostly flat side. I'm going to sort of fold them in half a bit so then this protrudes more. Thing's falling out. But yeah, got a good spinning thing. And so to use the flicker, you have to hold it so the bump is at the top. We're gonna hold it somewhere over here. And you can flick it. You can like flick it like that, or just your finger just hit it. So we don't want it to be in the middle here. We don't want it on, like you can do it on the corner. I wouldn't recommend it here, but we need like somewhere in the middle, like maybe like over here, so that it's a good hit. Oh. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.